Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to a super simple guide on cooking Asian eggplant. These long, slender beauties are truly a joy to work with in the kitchen. Unlike the larger, more common globe eggplants, Asian varieties have a much thinner skin and far fewer seeds. This means they're usually not bitter at all, and they cook up wonderfully tender without getting mushy. They're just perfect for soaking up all those delicious flavors. Prepping Asian eggplant is really straightforward. First, simply wash them well and then trim off the ends. Next, decide how you want to cut them. Slicing them into 1-inch rounds is popular, or you can go for diagonal cuts, even long strips, whatever fits your dish. The best part? You usually don't need to salt them beforehand, which means less fuss and more time enjoying your cooking. Now for the fun part, cooking techniques. Stir-frying is a fantastic method for Asian eggplant. It cooks up fast and develops a lovely texture. Steaming is another excellent choice, giving you a silky, soft eggplant that's wonderfully healthy. Or, for a richer, more concentrated flavor, try roasting your eggplant until it's tender and slightly caramelized. Each method truly brings out a different delicious quality. Asian eggplant is like a blank canvas, just waiting for those vibrant flavors. It really shines with classic Asian ingredients such as savory soy sauce, fresh ginger, and aromatic garlic. For an extra kick, a little chili adds a great dimension, and a drizzle of sesame oil brings a wonderful nutty warmth. Even a simple combination of soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of sweetness can create an amazing, versatile sauce. Once your Asian eggplant is cooked, there are so many ways to enjoy it. It makes a fantastic side dish, blends beautifully into a stir-fry, or you can simply serve it hot over a bed of steamy rice. While it's delightful fresh from the pan, many people find it tastes even better at room temperature, allowing the flavors to meld. Feel free to experiment with new spices and ingredients. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.